With a price tag at $16,495.00, this 2008 Jeep Liberty will not last long. This vehicle is powered by a V6 3.7L engine with an automatic transmission and 4WD. We priced this Jeep Liberty to sell quickly. You will find that this vehicle is loaded with options like body side molded in color moldings, a body color grille, body color fascias, a front license plate bracket, a black license plate brow, tinted windshield glass, a halogen headlamps with time-off delay, a removable short mast antenna, fold-away PWR mirrors and variable intermittent windshield wipers. Come in for a test drive today. What are you waiting for? With a 6-cylinder engine, you will have a rollicking good time when you fire up the engine. Here at Gore. Make your offer today.